Elevate your online presence from grainy to glorious by transforming your Nikon D850 into a professional-grade webcam. First, ensure your Nikon D850 is turned on and has a fully charged battery or is connected to a power source. You'll need to download and install the Nikon Webcam utility software onto your computer. You can find this on the official Nikon website. Once installed, launch the application. With the webcam utility open, connect your D850 to your computer using a high-quality USB cable. Make sure the camera is in playback mode, not shooting mode. The webcam utility should automatically detect your camera and display a live preview. Now, you'll need to configure your D850 for optimal webcam performance. Navigate through your camera's menu. In the setup menus, look for the USB settings and ensure it's set to PC Connect or a similar option that enables data transfer. Also, consider switching to a video shooting mode, like a basic movie recording option, as some users find this provides a more stable signal for the webcam utility. Next, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application. Go into the application's video settings and select Nikon Webcam Utility as your camera source. You should now see the high-quality live feed from your D850 or placing your laptop's built-in webcam. To further enhance your visuals, you can control aperture, shutter speed, and ISO directly through your D850 settings. For a blurred background, use a wider aperture for smoother motion. Adjust your shutter speed. Experiment with these settings to achieve your desired look. Remember to also adjust your lighting for the best results with your Nikon D850 as your webcam. You're ready to impress in every online interaction.